Hi, welcome back to Clever Name Garage. This is a confused person.
Very.
John just lives down the street. I called him and said, meet me at my house. We're about to make the dumbest video that we've ever made. Chris realized that in order to be a good boyfriend, he had to go see a foreigner cover band. So he left me at his house, finishing up some welding. We got the motor running and all that. That'll be on another video.
Okay.
And I said, the valve covers arrived at my house. And he says, do an unboxing video and send it to me. So this video essentially has an audience of one. This is just for Chris. And these are the new valve covers from Ansin, made in America.
Torrance, California. Oh no, I will. I
We
will
will-
hold the camera while you.
So this is the unboxing
Unveil.
video that maybe only Chris will see. I spent the whole evening over there welding and wrenching, and
What
I
were you?
looked
What were you
camera
welding?
presentable.
What was you welding?
The collectors, and we had to move the pipes around so that they would fit. Okay, it's a box within a box. I can't.
Is the next box going to be smaller than this box? Mm. Oh, there's the underside of one. Oh,
Embossed,
whoa,
engraved.
whoa, whoa. These things are very nice.
Very beautiful. Oh my God, Chris, look, grommets. So concerned about grommets, like they're a part you'd never be able to locate anywhere. Oh my God, where would we find a grommet? Yeah, they're even. I mean, they're beautifully cast. I mean, they've got the little baffle on them.
Are you going to remove them from the bag,
Well,
or
I suppose I should
if there's
put them in the bag.
a hermetic seal?
Oh my God, they're so shiny they hurt my eyes. Are you catching that?
Oh yeah.
Look how pretty. High polish, machined. Ansin will actually engrave anything you want in that spot.
That's pretty cool.
These guys. And again, Ansin doesn't sponsor us or anything like that, but how cool would it be if they did?
How cool would it be?
We'd have cool valve covers on everything we own.
Is that all they make, is valve covers?
I think they make pulleys and things like that too.
Uh-huh. Anything else? Any stickers in there?
There is a sticker,
Oh,
toolbox sticker from Ansin valve covers. Made in the USA in Torrance, California. Man, those are pretty.
geez, this is way better than what I thought. I thought I was going to have to lift something heavy out of somewhere. Or
It's
lift
bulk day.
something
Help me move
heavy into something else.
it. How were these put in here before? Maybe like this. Oh, and then Chris said, you can box them back up and then we can re-unbox them later. I'm like, oh. And once something's unboxed, it's pretty much
The lid's blown off. It's,
cat's out of the bag.
yeah.
So again, a really dumb video just because Chris didn't feel like driving over here.
Where is he?
He's seeing the foreigner cover band.
Oh, at Lorraine, at
Yes.
at the creek, or
Creek there.
Black River. Okay,
All right, well,
this is going to fade out.
like and subscribe and all that stuff.
Doodle-doo. Doodle-doo.